Tuan-tuan, terlebih dahulu jangan lupa untuk klik butang subscribe dan klik lonceng notification.
Yang kedua, ni interesting tuan-tuan. Ni daripada Hazirah, baru 24 tahun, nak masuk 25. She's a graduate dalam business administration.
Mix Melayu dengan English sikit lah untuk semua orang boleh faham. Ada 4 reasons kenapa. It's firstly because public gold is reputable, and meaning everyone can recognize that this company. And then secondly, sebab dia patuh syariah. Then saya tak payah nak was-was sangat, whether this company is okay, whether it's within the lines of our religious law, that kind. And thirdly, it's because of the simple GAP account, the gold accumulation program system that's in place. They're very simple, like kalau I nak simpan emas but I don't have the, let's say, financial capabilities to save a lot at one go, I can save at small amounts first. So this is very helpful kalau nak slowly accumulate your gold, which is very ideal for young people like me sebab kita bila baru start kerja kan tak berapa pasti sangat nak buat apa dengan the extra cash, or like you dah save duit sikit kat bank, you kasih your parents sikit, but after that extra, if you tak buat apa, you either spend it or it's not used. So the reason I start is pasal ada that little extra money, so I put inside GAP account, then I start saving gold. Yeah, and lastly, the 4th reason, the unique thing about public gold is pasal dia ada banyak cute designs macam anyone else tak ada cari this kind of design macam Disney prints, and then got Avengers also, very cool lah and unique lah. This is quite attractive for the young people also. Yeah.
Apa-apa pesanan untuk ni orang-orang muda yang belum mula lagi?
Pesanan yang saya boleh katakan is tak payah nak takut-takut sangat kalau nak start save gold, because it's nothing scary. You should just begin because it's for your own future also.
Okay, so apa lagi yang doing online, is it transfer duit apa ni semua tak ada. I think you do by yourself, which is baiklah. So maybe nak terangkan, is it senang ke susah ke atau macam mana?
Maybe yang part susah is familiarity bila baru nak start, because you tak tahu sangat, you tak faham what the graph is, what the explanation is for these things or that thing. But that's why it's important for you to have someone who's knowledgeable, you can refer back to, boleh tanya kalau tak sure. Pasal kalau you sembarang tanpa ilmu pun tak berapa baik sangat lah.
Okay.
So it's best you can check with someone you know. It's very simple actually. Everything can be done online.
Everything simple Okay. So maybe last share Hazirah punya, what's your goals actually, your target atau apa-apa untuk yang simpan emas ni? Ada tak?
Maybe what I want to see is also for kita punya community, especially not just within the community, but also people within my age group to be equipped with knowledge. Pasal I think a lot of my friends still tak tahu this platform.
Okay.
Yeah. Definitely untuk jangka masa panjang lah. If duit tu, there's always fluctuations and inflation, but gold it's always increasing lah in value. So for long term, it's very important to start saving your money with gold.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Baik kita dengar daripada pandangan-pandangan lain yang berbeza. Sebab tu emas ni untuk siapa? Emas ni sebenarnya untuk dia golongan daripada, kalau untuk simpanan yang paling baik untuk simpan emas jangka panjang adalah children education dan juga retirement. Ini pada saya lah, apa yang saya baca, saya ni children education dan retirement. So maknanya untuk siapa? Dari kecil. Pasal kalau cakap pasal children education, kita akan mula selalu yang baik mulakan bila anak tu lagi awal lagi baik lah, baru lahir, baru beberapa minggu, kalau kita mulakan simpanan dia pun lebih baik. Dan untuk hari retirement, hari tua itulah jangka panjang lah.
Terima kasih kerana menonton video ini dan jangan lupa untuk subscribe YouTube channel saya dan layari website saya onegolbina.com.